Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with NerdWallet to compare insurance policies. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. Once the NerdWallet homepage loads, look for the menu at the top of the page. Hover over or click on the Insurance tab. From the drop-down menu, select the type of insurance you want to compare, such as auto, home, or health insurance. On the insurance comparison page, you will find a range of options. Look for the button or link that says Get Started or Compare Quotes. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the adjoining box. After filling out your information, click the Sign Up or Register button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from NerdWallet. Open the email and click the link inside to verify your account. Return to the NerdWallet website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate back to the insurance section. Select the type of policy you wish to compare. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal details. Make sure to provide accurate information for the best results. After inputting your details, click the Get Quotes button. Wait for the system to gather the available insurance policy options for you. Review the listed policies and their details carefully. Use the filters and sorting options to customize your search. Once you've found a few suitable options, you can compare them side by side. When you're ready, click on your preferred insurance policy to learn more. Follow the instructions to finalize your choice and purchase the insurance if desired. That's it. You have successfully registered with NerdWallet and compared insurance policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.